Hey guys, today I'm back with another video on data structure and algorithms. So if you are preparing for DSA rounds, then this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the code. In this video, I'll discuss about the popular Leetcode problem of two-sum. So you can see the question printed here. So we will solve this question in Python. I am using the Jupyter notebook. You can use any code editor you want. So let me just go through the question once. Given an array of integers named nums and an integer target. So we have been given two inputs. One is array of integers and another integer target. So we have to return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. So question is very simple. Let me go through an example. So we have given a numbers array 2, 7, 11 and 15 and a given target is 9. So we have to find two elements such that they add up to target 9. So clearly if we add 2 and 7 it will match the target 9 and we will get the output of 0 1 because the index of 2 is 0 and index of 7 is 1. So the question is very clear. Okay, so now we have to find the solution of this problem. So we have to find the two elements such that they add up to the target given. So we can choose any algorithm we want, but the interviewer will ask you to reduce the problem to time complexity of order of n. So this is a clear problem that we can easily solve it by brute force method, which has a time complexity of order of n square. So we will do the both. So let's just write the code. So I will do the from typing import list. I will do a solution class. So let class solution. Now I will define a method. Let's name it toSum. Then we will pass self. Then we have been given a numbers array. So nums. This will be of type list. And this will be a list of integers. So this will be list int. And then we are given a target. So the target will be also of type int. And this will return a list of integers. So the definition of the toSum and its parameters is done. Now let's define the toSum problem. So we will go through the brute force method here. So we will loop through the array elements first. So we have these array nums, right? So let me just do the for loop first. For I in range of the length of the given numbers array, then I will do another loop. This will increase the time complexity of order of n square, but we're doing the brute force method, so we are not reducing the time complexity. So here we can use the j for j in range length I and length of the numbers array. You can store the length of nums, so you can use it. And now in the problem we can see that it is given. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. So I cannot be equals to j. So if I is not equals to j, then we will add the elements and check if it is equals to the sum, it is equals to the given target. So if nums I plus numsj is equals to the given target. Then we will return the indexes. So return I and j. So framing our problem is done. Now we will run the code. So for this I will take cell equals to solution class. So we have an object now. Now we can call the method toSum. Now we will pass the first argument, that is 2, 7, 11 and 15. Now we will pass the target integer, so it will be 9. Now if we run the code, you can see the output is 0 and 1. That is the expected output. If you run this and this, you will get the exact outputs. Clearly in this problem we have the time complexity of order of n square because we have 2 for loops, but the interviewer will ask you to reduce this complexity to order of n. So how we can do that? First let me remove this code. Now we will create a dictionary first, so hash table, name it. Now the algorithm is, we will calculate the complement of these array elements and check if it is present in this hash table. So if the complement is present, then we can find the optimal solution. Because so in take this example, we have the target 9, and now we will do the check by calculating the complement of 2. So we will calculate the complement by subtracting 2 from 9. So 9 minus 2 will be 7. We will push that 7 into the hash table. Now for the second element, we will check if 7 is present in the hash table. Then 7 is clearly present there. Then we will return the indexes. So by doing this, we in a single for loop we can achieve our optimal solution. So let me do that. For I in range length of the numbers array, now I will calculate the complement. So complement is equals to nums I and target minus. So here we will check if the complement, if the complement in hash table, then return the index. So the nums dot index of the complement and the nums I, so it would be I. So this is it, and now we will, if not, then we will push into the hash table. So hash table, let the index be nums I, so it will be easier to find that index, equals to nums I. So this is it. We got our solution. Now we can run this code. So in complement, so I did some spelling mistakes. So complement here. So let's just run in. So yeah, you can see in a single for loop we have reached our optimal solution. So this is the time complexity of order of n. So hope you like the video. I will be coming with more solutions like this and Leetcode problems. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.